Hello students, today I am discussing Morphology of Flowering Plants, NCERT Exercise Questions and Answers, part 2. So watch the video till the end. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nowsin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So my lovely students, are you ready? So let's get started. Question number 8 is, describe modifications of stem with suitable examples. So you know that the stem is the plant axis. It conducts basically water, minerals and food to other parts of the plant body through various systems. So based on the type of modifications, stem modifications can be classified into underground modifications, subaerial modifications and aerial modifications. So in my previous video, I was already discussed modifications of stem with suitable examples, and you will learn about each class with modified stem examples in this topic. If you missed that video, then visit my channel Educational Support, or you can click the I button for that video and the link of that video is given in the description box below. Question number 9 is, take one flower each of the families Fabaceae and Solanaceae and write their semi-technical description. Also draw their floral diagram after studying them. So suppose we took the flower of the pea plant, family Fabaceae, and it means pea. So Fabaceae or Papilionaceae is a subfamily of the Leguminosae family. Habit pinnately compound, alternately arranged with leaf tendrils with the pulvinus present at the leaf base along foliaceous stipules, and the root is taproot system with root nodules, and the stem herbaceous, climbing leaves, pinnately compound, leaf base pulvinate, stipule, venation, reticulate, and the floral characteristics is inflorescence racemose, and flower is zygomorphic and bisexual flowers are found. Next is calyx. So calyx, it contains 5 petals which are gamopate sepalous, while aestivation is imbricate. Corolla, it contains 5 petals, polypetalous with vexillary aestivation. Androsium, it consists of 10 anthers that are dipetalous with diathecious anthers, and gynosium, that is monocarpellary superior ovary which is unilocular with marginal placentation, and fruit is legume pod with non-endosperming seeds, and floral formula, this is the floral formula and this is the floral diagram, you can see it. So second flower is Solanum nigrum. So Solanum nigrum and the vegetative features is habit is erect, herbaceous plant, stem erect stem with numerous branches, leaves is simple, leaves with reticulate venation, and the floral characters, that is inflorescence is racemose type, and the flower is actinomorphic bisexual flower, and the calyx is composed of 5 petals that are united and persistent. Aestivation is valvate. Next is corolla. So corolla consists of 5 petals with valvate aestivation, and androsium, it consists of 5 epipetal stamens, and gynosium is consist of bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary with axile placentation, and the fruit is berry seeds, numerous and endospermous, and this is the floral diagram and this is the floral formula. Next, question number 10 is, describe the various types of placentations found in flowering plants. So the number of positions and arrangement of distributions of placenta inside an ovary is called the placentation. So various types of placentations are found in following plants are as follows. That is marginal. Marginal placenta forms a bridge or ridge along with the ventral suture of the ovary. Ovules are borne on the ridge to form two rows. For example, P. And the exile placentaceous, the placenta is exiles and the ovules are attached to it in a multilocular ovary, that is lemon. Next is parietal. So in parietal placentation, ovules develops on the inner wall of the ovary or on the peripheral. It is single chambered, but due to formation of a false septum, it becomes the two chambered, for example mustard. Next is free central. So free central ovules are borne on the central axis and scepter is absent, for example primrose. And next is basal. So last one is the basal. So placenta develops at the base of the ovary where in a single ovule is attached to it. Example is marigold. Question number 11 is, what is a flower and describe the parts of a typical angiosperm flower? So basically flower is the reproductive unit in the angiosperm. It is meant for sexual reproduction and flowers may carry out sexual reproduction in the angiosperm. So a flower has four different parts, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and the gynoecium. Androecium and gynoecium basically represent the male and female reproductive organs of a flower respectively. So I was already discussed different parts of a typical angiosperm flower in a detail. Please check the video for this answer. Question number 12 is, how do the various leaf modifications help plants? So leaf perform various functions besides photosynthesis and thus they are modified into different forms such as leaf tendril, leaf spines, phylloid, scales of protective leaves, leaf hooks, leaf bladder, leaf roots, etc. So I was already discussed the various leaf modifications help plants in detail. You can check the videos for this answer. Question number 13 is, define the term inflorescence and explain the basis for the different types of inflorescence in flowering plants. So inflorescence is the manner in which the flowers are arranged on the flowering axis. The inflorescence is defined as the arrangement of a cluster of flowers on a floral axis. During the flowering season, the vegetative apex of the stem gets converted into floral meristem. So the inflorescence is of two types. They are racemose and the cymose. In racemose inflorescence, the flowers bunch laterally on the floral axis. And here the floral axis keeps on growing and the flowers develop in an acropetal arrangement. And in cymose inflorescence, the flower is the terminating point of each floral axis. And in cymose inflorescence, flowers follow the basipetal pattern of the growth. You can see it here. Question number 14 is, write the floral formula of an actinomorphic bisexual hypogynous flower with 5 united sepals, 5 free petals, 5 free stamens and 2 innerted carpels with superior ovary and the exile placentation. So the floral formula is as follows. You can see it, this floral formulas. Question number 15 is, describe the arrangement of floral members in relation to their insertion on thalamus. So the arrangement of floral members in relation to their insertion on thalamus are of three types. Basically hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous flowers. So I was already discussed the types of flowers, short tricks in detail. So you can check the video for this answer. So my dear, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and please share it among the students circle. So thank you for watching. Make sure hit the subscribe button and click on the bell. Stay tuned with educational support for more biology related topics. Tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.